Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. Beets are taking front and center stage today, gold beets and red beets. And sometimes they get a bad rap, but I think you're gonna love what we're gonna do today. Once we're done with our recipe, we'll check in with the other cook sister, Adrienne. She's got a ton of great information to share with us about beets. I'll be using both gold beets and red beets in our salad today. A good vegetable peeler makes easy work of peeling the beets, but you could also use a paring knife. Beets are in the same family as chard and spinach. The leaves of the beets are entirely edible and delicious, but we won't be needing them today. If you like, you can wash and refrigerate the leaves and save them to saute with other greens like spinach and chard. Beets have long been used for medicinal purposes, primarily for liver disorders. They are a wonderful source for fiber, vitamins A and vitamin C. Once they're peeled, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Transfer the beets to a steamer or a colander over a pot of boiling water. Cover the pot with a lid and let the beets steam until tender. Peel another red beet and grate it on a box grater. The grated beet will be the foundation for our dressing. Add garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Using the beets two ways, raw and cooked, maximizes their earthiness and their sweetness. When the beets are nice and tender, remove them from the pot and let them cool slightly. Add the beet pieces to the dressing. Add some mild creamy blue cheese or goat cheese if you're not a blue cheese person, some chopped Marcona almonds, and lastly some fresh chopped flat leaf parsley. This hearty salad pairs well with pork or steak. The crunch of the raw beets in the dressing and the sweetness of the cooked beets creates great texture for this salad. And now, Adrienne is waiting for us. It's her turn to talk about beets.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. Beets are often overlooked in the spring. We get so busy with our tomatoes and zucchinis, but fall is an ideal time to get them in, especially if you can find seedlings like this. We're going to talk about the ins and outs of growing beets. Stay with me. Just as important as the sweet flesh and vibrant color of the beet that grows underground, the beet greens that reach for the sun are nutritious and delicious, especially when picked fresh. Whether you start your own or you buy them, seedlings are the best way to get a beet garden going. Make a trench. Get the seedling root balls down well into the trench. You could plant them fairly close together. A slow-release organic fertilizer will supply nutrition to the roots and the foliage through the long weeks that the beets grow. Tuck in the seedlings. Don't forget the mulch. This beautiful variety has the lovely name Bull's Blood. I hope this inspires you to grow your own beets, if not this fall, maybe next spring. That's it for me for today. We'll see you next time.